Well, good evening, everyone, team. Welcome back to the session. Welcome back to the day 2 session on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications. Yesterday, we had a demo session on this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications. So, what we discussed in yesterday's session, let me have a quick recap of the things, team. But before starting the session for today, let me tell you one thing which is very important. See, for the people whoever completed the registrations, maximum people in the call have completed the registrations, and also our team sent you the emails regarding your portal access team. So every one of you in the call, please do check out from your end whether these two things have been received or not. Number one, what I told you yesterday, in this program, you will be getting videos for lifetime, and every day sessions we will upload in the portal I told you. In our website, your user account will be created for your learning portal. So today we have sent emails that contains your user access for accessing the learning portal of TrioTech. People who paid their fee just before the class till 6 o'clock, whoever enrolled, we have sent the emails. But after 6 o'clock, whoever enrolled, don't worry, by tonight you will get the emails. So please do check out from info@triotechsoftwaretrainings.com. Email will come to you from this email ID. Why I'm telling this very particularly is some of you have reported that email came to your spam folder in your Gmail or Yahoo, whatever the email that you are using, team. So my request to every one of you, please do check out your spam folder also from info@triotechsoftwaretrainings.com. You will be receiving an email that contains your user account and password, and also steps to follow how to log into the TrioTech portal. Today, we have shared recording in your WhatsApp. But starting from tomorrow, you will not be getting the video in WhatsApp every day. Every session will be in this learning portal. So please do check out your learning portal whether you received or not. And some people clicking on this e-learn login orange button, please don't do that. You are attending live classes. You please click on this yellow button, live classes login, so that screen will load and it will take you to the dashboard. Here, input your user ID and password what we given to you in the email. Login so that it will take you to the dashboard, team. So here is your dashboard. If you come here and if you go to enrolled courses, you can able to see your course coming up here. Click on that course. Then all the sessions day by day will upload in your portal. Just click on that session and the video will play here towards the right, team. So sorry, I'm keeping in mute. Someone unmuted. Yeah. So here you can able to play the classes every day. So this is something very important that which I told you already yesterday before we leaving the class. So please do check out. Already our team shared learning portal access to every one of you. And in that email only, we embedded WhatsApp community link also. Please click on that link so that you will be added into the WhatsApp community. So from tomorrow, I'm going to share whatever the material or any information I want to communicate, I will be doing with you in that community only. These two things, please check from your end. Again, I am stressing and telling you on this. If you are not if you have not received an email, just you paid the fee, you were disconnected with our team. So you will not get daily classes, you will not get the communication every day. Please verify from your end these two things. Okay. Now, let me get into today's topic, what we are going to discuss. See, in the yesterday session, first I introduced to you what is this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application is about, right? And then I told you this is a zero coding application. People from any background, any non-IT experiences can learn. I told you, team, right? And then I introduced it to you about myself, who I am, what experience I have, and what sort of projects that I worked in this domain. That all intro about myself I have given to you. Then quickly we have walked through our TrioTech profile as well. Like when we started TrioTech, how many trainings we completed so far, who all are our corporate training partners. And then I also shown you our YouTube community that having almost like 185K plus subscribers in Oracle Learning community. And then I told you TrioTech collaborating with the universities as well for training on this Oracle HCM cloud technology for the fresher placements and all I told you, team. And then we had a quick walkthrough of all these aspects. First, I explained you what is ERP, what ERP applications will do in the market. Within that also, what is Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications is about. Why companies will use this product in their day-to-day life. Once you learn this technology, in what sort of companies you will be recruited, on what roles, these all we discuss at team. And then I explained you Fusion applications evolution overview. Like before Fusion, what are the prior ERP products we have in the market? How Oracle launched Fusion application? In which year Oracle launched this technology? This all history or the background of Fusion application we discussed in this slide. And then I have explained you types of companies involved team. So typically in any software application usage, how many companies will involve? Who is called as service provider? Who is called as client or customer? Who is called as consulting company? Once we learn this course, in what sort of companies we will be recruited, that all we have seen. Client means what? With an example of Reliance, Deloitte and Oracle, I explained you these types of companies team. And then I explained you yesterday Fusion applications environment release. In 2011, when Oracle introduced Fusion applications in the market, what was the version that they came up with? Since then, how it got evolved and what is the latest version of the Fusion application, I told you. And then I also told you Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. Every year, 4 times, Oracle will upgrade their application, I told you. Correct? And how they segregated each year into 4 quarters, how they have named each quarter as A, B, C, D. Then we debugged the versioning sequence what Oracle following. And the current version I told you, 26B is the current version of Fusion application I told you. Then I told you during this upgradation, when we are in the projects in the real time, certain activities that we have to perform, I told, but I have not explained you what are they. I promised you We will be talking about them in our implementation project and support project workshops, right, team? And then we discussed about what are the modules we have in this technology, what comes under functional, what comes under technical, and as part of this training program, what all modules that we are going to cover, those all things also I explained you, right, team? And I told you this is going to be a techno-functional training for next 3 months of duration, I told you. And what will be the most demanded role in the market today is techno-functional consultant, I told you, team. And also, I have explained you why you have to choose Oracle other than SAP, Workday, or any other ERPs in the market, I told you. Then we quickly gone through about the average salary packages in this domain, career growth for next 10-15 years, how your career graph that is going to be, and also the impact of AI in this domain and the layoffs, any impact we have in this technology, that all we discussed. And then I have explained you our student placement report in TrioTech. So in different companies, our students got placed that I have displayed to you for your reference purpose, team. And also some of the placement success stories of students in the last couple of months. So you can see all the student happy notes or feedbacks from their messages directly what they dropped to us. Right? So these are all things we have seen yesterday, team. And then I explained you the program features and all. How many days the training is going to be starting from today, 7 to 8 p.m. every day, I told you. So actually the sessions will be Monday to Friday only, but tomorrow we have the session. Don't forget to join, because as it's a new batch, even I have not seen the schedule. So we scheduled it over the weekend. So tomorrow, Saturday, that is May 2nd, we have the session. Okay. But from next week, it will be Monday to Friday. But for tomorrow, there will be session. Please join accordingly by sharp 7 p.m. team. So what are the course benefits? Like lifetime access to recording, then Oracle server access for 6 months, project assignment. Then from placement point of view, I told you we have a placement team dedicatedly working for your interview referrals, support what we will provide you for placement, resume preparation, what sort of materials that you are going to get, then how we support you with the interview question and answers for each module. That all I have shown you, team. And then we concluded our session. This is a quick recap because couple of people might be joining directly today. They might be missing the session yesterday. So just to have a quick recap of what we discussed yesterday, I have explained you all these things. Now, let us talk about today's topic. What we are going to discuss today. See, yesterday only we supposed to talk about these things. Oracle Knowledge Repository and Oracle Certification Process Team. But because of time constraint, I have not covered them. Let me explain you these two things and then I will introduce to you Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. How the application will look like. Practically, we will log in into the system. I will demonstrate the application so that you can experience how Oracle Fusion application is going to be. Okay. First of all, team, let me tell you about Oracle Knowledge Repository. What do you mean by Oracle Knowledge Repository? See, as part of this training program, we are going to provide you the custom material, whatever that we prepared for you for easy understanding of the module to implement. I told you for every module, we are going to provide the implementation manuals and all, team. But on top of the materials that what we providing to you, if you want to explore Oracle delivered standard materials, Oracle University materials. If you want to explore, where you have to go in the internet, where you can download them. Let me give you the navigation for that team, right? And also, the most important you have to follow in your career. What is that, you know? See, I have told you yesterday, Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy. Every year, 4 times they will provide upgrade to their system, I told you. And every time, whenever Oracle upgrading the application, some new enhancements, some new features in each module, Oracle will brings in, I told you, to keep their application update or competitive in the market. Oracle investing a lot in research and development team every time to give a more modernized, more customer centric experience to their customers. Oracle trying to improvise their application day by day. So every quarter, every 3 months, when they upgrading the application, some new enhancements Oracle is going to bring. Phenomenal differences we can't expect, but incremental changes, cosmetic level changes, some basic features in the screen level will get upgraded team. So every time I suggest my students personally, every student of Kumar will do this as a practice. What is that, you know? Every 3 months, once you go to Oracle repository and find out in the new upgrade what features Oracle bringing in. Actually, Oracle will do a very good thing in the market compared to other applications. What, you know? Every time when they upgrading the application, Oracle will release the document to the open world. Hey, in this upgrade, we are coming with these new features. A clear-cut document, module-wise, each feature, explanation, screenshot, what is that feature is about. Everything documented and Oracle will deliver that team. Actually, when you people are in the projects also, whenever the upgrade is happening, we have to list out all that new features and we have to explain to the client. There will be one activity called impact analysis session team. That all you will get in the coming days. But you as a consultant working in this technology, for yourself to keep yourself upgraded with the application, make this as a habit. Simple. One rule I will tell you. If application is evolving day by day, you should also grow along with the application, or else you will become out of the market. Competitive wise, you can't be in the run. Okay, race. If application is evolving, you should also grow along with the application. Means what? If some new upgrade Oracle bringing in the system, you spend some time, explore the document. In this new upgrade, in each feature, what new functionalities Oracle bringing. Just spend 30 minutes of your time every 3 months once. Every 3 months, once you spend 30 minutes of your time, go to Oracle repository, download the document in the new upgrade in each module, what features Oracle bringing in. Just you explore that team. Okay, core HR, okay, these 10 features Oracle bringing in. Acha, okay, in this screen, this new button coming. Okay, fine. Like that, you explore the document team so that you can keep yourself updated. So Kumar, where I can get that document, Kumar? Now I'm going to show you that. Oracle Knowledge Repository means that only. Many people will think that you should create an account in Oracle University website, then only you can access the documents of Oracle. Nothing. It's a free repository. Just to follow my navigation. Go to your browser, anything, Google, Explore, Firefox, anything. Just type as docs.oracle.com team. This is the website, docs.oracle.com. Just I'm texting it in the chat button in the Zoom. You people also can try along with me. Now, every one of you got the message in your Zoom chat, right? docs.oracle.com. Just click on that or type that in your Google Chrome. You will land upon this page. Now, see, I'll keep my cursor here. Did I logged in into this website? Now it is asking sign into my account or sign up for an Oracle account or sign into cloud platform trial. I have not signed in. Just I came to my Google. I opened docs.oracle.com. You land upon this screen. Here, all Oracle products, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, Generative AI, Autonomous AI Database, MySQL HeatWave, Oracle Analytics, Java, Database, Apex, Linux. These all are Oracle applications in the market. Our application is here, Cloud, that too Fusion. Under Fusion, financial, supply chain, HR, sales, ours is HR, human capital management, HR. Click on human resources here. Now you will land upon this screen. Here you go to all books in the left hand side. Click on it, all books. Okay. Then you will land upon the screen, all books. In the view filter, system will ask, a website will ask you to filter whether you want implementation guides, admin guides, configuration and extension guides, security what? I want implementation guides. How to implement this each module in the system. Like we have different modules now. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation, OTL, ORC. So keep the filter in the view as implementation. That's all, team. All implementation guides of Oracle University. Implementing absence management, implementing benefits, compensation, global HR, payroll, help desk. In payroll, country-wise localized documents will be their, team. So if I click on this PDF symbol now, it will take me to the PDF. See, it's a 368 page document. Oracle Fusion Cloud Human Resources. See, implementing global human resource module, team. So here you can see all that clear-cut explanation. What is that module? What all functionalities we have in that? Theoretically, entire with diagrammatic explanation will be there. See, Oracle standard materials are hefty and lengthy. I don't suggest to use them because I prepared a very custom material which is easy to understand for you. The entire core HR we crisped to 130 page and we made it user friendly material for you with screenshots and navigations exactly how you can implement. My suggestion is to follow the material what we are giving to you for every module. But if you want to access Oracle standard material, if you want to explore anything on top of that what we providing, then this is the source. You can download it happily. Click on this download button. It will download into your laptop or desktop. So this is open source, team. See, so here all books means all module wise, all PDFs are available here for every module. Next, if I want to access this release notes document, now we are in 26B release. I want to know in this release what new features Oracle brings in each module. Here, team, in the same screen, above all books, you go to cloud readiness. Cloud readiness. I'm telling you, no one will cover this topic. Any training you go. Because people think that it's not required for you at this moment. But I don't think like that. Because you have to keep yourself update with the application. So definitely do this exercise every 3 months once. Okay. Just spend 30 minutes of time and explore this area. If you come to cloud readiness here, it will take you to the screen here for readiness. Then all modules where you can see currently human capital management only selected. So select a release, filter. You want latest update documents or prior updates document, what latest update, filter latest update and scroll down team. Okay. So here you have see benefits what's new 26B means in benefits module, what's new features came in 26B release. In compensation module, what came? Help desk module, what came? Human resource module, global HR, this is. Then if I come down, uh, OLC, learning and development means OLC, ORC, recruiting, talent management, absence management, time and labor, payroll, all our modules covered here. See, module wise, Oracle will give the list here. Just go to the document team. Let's say I want to know in absence module, what's new 26B. Click on it. Click on it. It will take you to that screen of absence management 26B, what's new. Here you come, expand it and expand it. These are the new features team. Some 7 or 10 features came in the absence module. If I click on it, if I click on that team, what is that field is about? Okay, what is that feature is about? Clear cut explanation team. So here if you come, some will come with screenshots also. See, there is something here, display of partial day absences on calendar. So what is that feature is about? On which screen, how that functionality is going to come with screenshots and navigation team. Every feature explanation will be there here. So what is that feature is about? Enhancements for absence planning Redwood page. What is that? See, the absence planning page for line manager has been enhanced to support the following feature. These options came up newly. And what are they? They can filter, new filters came in that screen. A very clear-cut document team. So this is for absence module. Next, if you want to check out compensation module, go back. Okay. Let's say time and labor module or core HR module. Where is that human resources? What's new? Core HR means human resources. What's new? Expand this. Global HR. Then you have team. These all are the new features came in core HR module. So what is that feature? What is that option? By highlighting what it came. So this is something very important. So don't take it as a light. This is very important thing. Every time, whenever Oracle upgrading, see next month Oracle will release 26C documents also. I mean, in the July month, when our application upgrading to 26C release, what new features Oracle bringing in at least 45 days before or 2 months before Oracle will release the document. So you can access the release notes document from this docs.oracle.com. Both our materials, books, and also release notes for every module we can explore from this docs.oracle.com team. So this is about Oracle Knowledge Repository. So don't wait for anyone to support you or handhold you. Nothing. It's an open platform, open source. Anyone can go to the Google, type docs.oracle certification process. Actually, someone was asking me yesterday, but I told you today I will explain you that. And many students have this concern already. Kumar, learning this program is sufficient to get a job today, or do we have to do certification? Because SAP Workday, if you see, companies are asking mandatorily certification. That is why some of you might have this question already in mind. In Oracle Fusion, do we have to do certification or not? First of all, I will explain you how in the Fusion system, Oracle certification process will work. Then I will tell you whether it is mandatory to do or not. Okay. This is also very important, team. Actually, I made a short video on this and I uploaded in our YouTube channel. You can even find that certification video in our YouTube channel, team. But anyhow, I will explain that today. Okay. So let me explain you. What is that? Oracle certification process. Okay. Here, the most common doubt many people will have, in fact, is what Kumar, our course is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Application, correct? This is our course. For entire course, Oracle will conduct certification exam and they will give certificate to us if we write the exam. How? No. This is very clear thing for every one of you team. For entire course, for entire application, we don't have one common examination team. What Oracle doing indeed, Oracle conducting the examination module wise. Within Oracle Fusion, I told we have different modules, right? Core HR, absence, payroll, talent. Oracle conducting the certification exam module wise. For example, you take core HR. There is a certification exam. Oracle Global Human Resource Cloud. Okay. Implementation specialist. Okay. So we have an examination by name like this team, and there is an examination code for that. IZO 1046/25. Okay. Then if it is absence module, you have a examination have Oracle Absence Management Cloud Implementation Specialist. Okay. And there is an examination code for that IZO 1054 or something we have. So Oracle conducting the examination module wise. What is that team? Module wise. So how the exam pattern will be, Kumar, or how we can book the exam to write? See, in order to conduct the examination, Oracle partnered with a company called View Pearson. Probably many of you know about this company in the market in your college days. Whenever you completed your education, if you're planning for an abroad or something, you might be writing IELTS, TOEFL, ZRE, PTE exams, right? So then you might be heard about Pearson test centers in the market. So we have a company by name View Pearson. If you go to Google and if you type this pearson.view.com, so this is the examination partner for Oracle. So Oracle partnered with this company in order to conduct their certification exam. What you have to do, you have to go to the View Pearson website. You have to search for your exam. Go to online testing. Okay, detailed video you can go through how to book the exam, how to pay the fee. I covered in that. But you can go to online testing. You can search for your exam. Okay, you can filter with O, that is Oracle. Okay, and then you can search team which exam you want to book and all. For that, you have to create a login in this website and you can book the exam, schedule the date, pay the fee, sit in the home, write the exam. Prior to COVID, we used to go to this View Pearson test centers and we used to write the exam there in all major cities across the globe, in Hyderabad, in Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, Vijayawada, everywhere we have test centers team. We used to go there, pay the fee, sit in the examination center, we used to write the exam. But post-COVID, many things changed to online. Now, exam conducted both offline, online. You can go to the test center, book the exam, pay the fee right there, or go to this website, create your account, book the slot, pay the fee, and then you can write the exam by sitting in your home. But it will be video monitored. There will be tutor who will be watching you while you're writing the exam team. Okay, either you can go to View Pearson and you can book, or you have a website called education.oracle.com. This is Oracle University website team. Directly go to internet and type education.oracle.com. It will take you to Oracle University website here. Then come to certification. And here you can write the certification exam team. See, schedule your exam. You can buy an exam and you can schedule and you can sit in the home and you can write. So these are the two places where you can go, you can book your exam and you can write. Examination pattern will be team. Generally, till 2024, completely the examination pattern was MCQs, multiple choice questions. Our MSET exam, IIT or AIEEE exams when we write, or medicine entrance when we write, or MAT or CAT or something. Okay, CAT is there, huh? We have, right? Okay, sorry. So how the examination pattern for competitive exams, we have MCQs will be there. Till 2024, examination pattern was MCQs. For example, core HR you take 90 to 110 questions approximately we used to have. All are MCQs. Question ABCD. We used to give an answer. Then absence module, bit small module. So 50 to 60 questions we used to have. But team, during COVID, many people started malpracticing the examination. Correct? Many things we have seen in IT industry. The entire hiring pattern companies changed because of proxies and all. Because of remote interviews happened during COVID. A lot of people in the market started proxies and they made a lot of issues, right? Oracle also affected with that. So what Oracle did was in 2024, Oracle restructured their examination pattern. Along with MCQs, they are also giving the scenarios. Okay, means they are giving a scenario, they are giving the application access to you. You have to configure that in the system and you have to show it. MCQs plus practical scenarios Oracle introduced to avoid the malpractice in the examination. One person booking the exam through AI tools, some other person writing the exam by showing his photo or Aadhaar card something. To avoid that, some exam pattern rigidity Oracle brings in. MCQs plus scenarios Oracle came up. Negative marking is there and pass percentage is 75. Sometimes they will go with 70, sometimes 75 percentage team. Negative marking is there. And moreover, the cost of each module exam will be 28K, 28,000 INR plus applicable taxes. Okay. I know the examination cost from 6,500 rupees. But today, as inflation in every industry have, price for each module examination is 28,000 plus applicable taxes team. And it's a non-refundable amount. If you book the exam, you return the exam, unfortunately you haven't scored 75%, you got failed, this amount will not get back. You won't get back. Only one attempt, no multiple attempts concept also if you individually book the exam team. So this is examination pattern and the cost incurred. Now the most crucial question, Kumar, is it mandatory? Do we have to pay our own money to get certification? Absolutely a big no. What is that? Absolutely a big no. In Oracle recruitment in the market, certification is not at all a mandatory criteria. So everyone in the call, whoever from India, people from US or other countries, I will come to you. People from India, certification is not at all a mandatory criteria. When you are applying in the Naukri, if you showcase that you have a certification means they won't give you the job. Definitely it's your performance. It's your presentation in the interview will decide team. Certification companies are not looking in Oracle, but in SAP, Workday, Salesforce, or SFDC, Microsoft Dynamics, certification playing a key role in the recruitment team. But here we don't have that luckily. Second, Kumar, when we can do certification, then why Oracle introduced its certification concept? When you can plan, once after you joining any company, you got assigned with some client project. Some clients are very particular. We want only certified consultants only to work in our project. At that point of time, as per the client suggestion or client requirement, your project manager will ask you, hey, please do the certification. Your client asking to submit. They want all their consultants to be certified resources only. Then you have to do. During that time, you no need to spend your money. Your company will pay for you. Every company or every IT company in the market, whoever partnered with Oracle, Oracle will give free coupons to them. You check with your manager or project lead that I want to do the certification as per your requirement. Please provide me the coupon. Company will bear the cost for you. And in that coupon, you will get multiple attempts also. 3 attempts, 4 attempts, as per the company, you will get that. Okay. But if you are going to the website and if you personally booking, you have to burn your money. So my suggestion, forget about the certificate now. Not at all required to you. In many projects, without certification, it will work. But few clients are very particular. That you will come to know once you join any organization only team. This is for Indian people, for us. But people in the call from US, UK, Canada, Australia, or Middle East, definitely your recruitment pattern and Indian recruitment pattern is slightly varies. You people there, they have more fascination towards the certification, and the trust to the consultants will come with that only over those markets. You people check around your colleagues or your friends or circle, whatever you have, whether you require to be doing the certification or not, and proceed it accordingly. For you also, I am not telling mandatory you go and do it, depending upon the consultancy that you've been tied up for marketing your profile there. Because in India, no one need to market your profile. Just you can drop the profile in Naukri or some portal, you will get the call schedule. But in US or Canada, you have to go with some consultancy for marketing your profile, right? Check with them. Accordingly, you plan. But this is what team, the certification process and the examination pattern and the cost incurred to you. Now, what is the validity for this exam? For example, today on May 1st, 2026, I written this exam. I passed it. I got the certificate from Oracle team. 18 months from today is the validity. That's all. 18 months. But generally, no one will look at your time period. Whether you did the certification or not, that's only your company will look at once you join. But actual validity, Oracle telling is 18 months is the validity for certification. After that, again, you have to do the latest paper. Every year, Oracle will upgrade their question paper team. Now the current paper was 2025. Now this year paper had to come in the month of June, July, we will expect /26, the paper will be. So some new questions they will upgrade, some exam pattern they will change, like that they will do. Now Kumar, if any one of us want to do certification, will you help us? Definitely. You can check with our team. They will guide you how to book the exam. And the most important thing we support here is we provide you the examination dumps. Dumps means what, Kumar? Dumps means what, Kumar? We have ready-madely available the question and answers for the exam that you are going to write. 70%, at least, whatever the question and answers we are going to give you, the same will repeat team. But 30%, you have to sensibly answer after my training. With this training, you will be in a situation to handle the certification exam. But even then, 70%, whatever the dumps, we are going to support you ready-madely available, the question and answers. You can just butify that and you can use them in the exam team. So that you can check with the team offline, they will support you whenever you are planning for an exam team. Further on top of that, any support you needed also, we have some additional services that you can discuss offline with the team. They will help you out with that team. So this is about certification. Repository we discussed, certification we discussed. Next, let us go into the system and let us see team. Now I'll introduce to you the Fusion applications team. Now I'll introduce to you Fusion application. What is that, Kumar? How the Fusion application looks like. Okay. 1 second, team. Okay. Now let me introduce to you the Fusion applications team. So what is our technology? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications. Correct. See, as the name itself telling, our Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based technology. Our applications are completely on a cloud-based technology. Kumar, what do you mean by cloud-based technology? Cloud-based technology means a software that is hosted over the internet. For example, you take like this team, Tata Group you take because this is familiar to every one of us. That's why. Tata Group is a client or customer. So today, Tata want to buy Oracle Fusion applications. Tata company decided that for their in-house day-to-day HR activities to perform, they want to purchase this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application. So Tata Group reached to Oracle, okay, Oracle India Private Limited. So this is the vendor, right team? He's the owner. Vendor means owner. So what Tata Group did? Tata reached to Oracle. Now Oracle sold the product to Tata team. Okay. So whenever any company buy the product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered to them, in which form Oracle will deliver the application to them, as our technology or an application on a cloud-based model, just application will be delivered in the form of this URL. This URL. This is our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application is just in the form of URL team. So in order to access that, you require your user ID and password. That's all. Whenever any company, in our example, I'm taking Tata. Today, Tata people reached Oracle. Hey, we want to use our Oracle HCM cloud in our day-to-day HR activities. So we let us know the price. So they given some price. They bought the application from Oracle. How the application will deliver? Just in the form of this URL. If I take this URL, if I open any of my search engines, anything, Google, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Edge browser, anything, just type it. The link I given, enter, enter. Now my page is loading. Where I will land upon, see, my page is loading now. Oracle Cloud sign in pop-up came. So system asking to sign in, username and password. In my laptop, already my account details got saved, which I use for our training every day. So my username and password I am giving here team, and then I'm clicking on next button. Now see, I'll be able to log in into the Fusion HCM cloud application. So this is our Let me click on home button. So this is our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications look and feel. Did I install the application anywhere in my laptop? Did I run any program in my laptop? Did I connect it to any server in my laptop? Nothing. Just the URL I copy pasted in my Google Chrome prompted me with sign in like our Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Naukri, or your Gmail. How you will use your Gmail? Just you will go to the Google, you will type as gmail.com. Then user ID password you will give. Then you can start sending the emails, right? Same way. Same way. This is the Fusion applications team. The look and feel of the Fusion HCM cloud applications will be like this. Cloud-based means that one. A software that is hosted over the internet. Okay. Now, let me introduce to you different jargons or the terminologies. Okay. Today I won't take much time. Don't worry. Slightly, just within 5 minutes maximum, I will conclude. Okay. So yesterday it's a demo I have to extend, but today because even I have another class followed by, so let me make it at a regular time, 7 to 8 only. Now let me introduce to you different terminologies that you people should call Fusion application as. Because whenever you're working in the real-time projects, I know many of you are in a plan to manipulate your experiences and showcasing that you are working in Oracle HCM Cloud and you are applying in the jobs, right? I don't want to use the name exactly, but you understood. Many of you are planning to showcase some relevant experiences and you are planning. So whenever you're working in the company, you have to follow some protocols. You have to follow some terminologies or jargons. So what Oracle telling team, the Fusion applications, if you have to call or refer, what names Oracle suggesting, the regular layman terminology is this. What? URL, URL or web link. These are these are not used terminologies in the company. Very danger. These are very layman terminology. We should not use these words in our professional life. Whenever you people working in the company, let's say you want to get client details, client application details from your colleague. Hey, can you please give me the client URL? Can you give me the client link? That looks very ugly. So we should not call with these words. What we have to refer the Fusion application, we can call Fusion application as environment, or you can call it as server, environment, server, or you can call it as a pod, platform and demand POD means, or you can call it as tenant, okay, or you can call it as instance. These are the names that Oracle giving, or you can even call it as sandbox. These are the names that Oracle give suggesting to refer the Fusion application. So if you want to get any client details from your friend, you can call like this. Hey, can you please give me the client environment details? Or can you please give me that client server details? Or what is the pod details of the client? Or please give me the tenant access of the client. Like that, these are the terminologies you have to use in the company. Yesterday, when I am explaining you the program features and all, what I kept here, 6 months Oracle server access, I told. Server means what? Application. Server. So these are the names you have to call the Fusion applications when you're working in the company. Don't forget, whatever that you feel most comfort, use that word. Anything is fine. Never use URL or web link. Particularly before the client, when you are in the call with the client, don't use that. Okay. That is something which is important. And one more most important knowledge at this point of time you people should have is sometimes in your company, you might be deployed for multiple projects. Particularly, we have support projects in this technology team. We have implementation support. What are they? I will tell you when we come to our placement workshops and all. Support projects, whenever you working, 3, 4 clients, you have to work simultaneously. You, in the sense, not alone, as a team of resources, you will work. Teamwork it is ultimately. Sometimes you might be working for 2 or 3 clients simultaneously. How you can identify which client application is what? It's just a URL, right? Its environment is like a web link. How you can differentiate which client application is what? So let's say I'm taking client A, okay, then client B. Let's assume you are working for 3 clients in the project. How you can differentiate the client application? See, when Oracle selling the product in the market to the customer's team, in the environment, these 4 characters will be unique for customer to customer. Here I have HTTPS FA-EUBG, right? For let's say one client, this is the URL team. For another client, there will be difference in these 4 characters. The other client might have other 4 characters, HDFC, FS, and some other client will have the other format, something like okay. So customer to customer, when Oracle selling the product in the market, these 4 characters will be unique. So by looking at that 4 characters, we can identify which client environment is what. We call these 4 characters in the application as pod number. What is that, team? What we call it as POD number, platform on demand number. Kumar, they are characters. No, you are telling as a number. Yes, they are in character format, but still we call them as pod number. So customer to customer in the application, the 4 characters pod number will be unique. Okay. And team, when you're working in the client application, in the environment also, you will not see these wording. Now currently you are seeing what? OracleDemos.com or SaaS FA demo. You won't find them in real time. Just remove this test also. eubg.ds. Even here also demos, it won't come. It will come as oraclecloud.com. But why, Kumar, our instance currently coming with the demos? Because this environment is a demo server. Oracle will provide demo servers in the market for training purpose or to demonstrate to the clients and all, they will provide. That is why our instances will have at the end coming as oracledemos.com or SaaS FA demo. But in real time, whenever you're working, the client application will come or end with oraclecloud.com. So HTTPFA, 4 characters pod number, and you will have some code. Here I'm having DSFA. Then for some other application also you have some other code. This code is what you know. Oracle maintaining their servers across the globe. In US they have the server. In Mexico they have the server. In Middle East they have the servers in UAE. Then Saudi. And then they have the server in Malaysia, Singapore for APAC regions. Okay. Recently in the war, we have listened, right? Amazon and Oracle servers have been, data centers have been impacted. So Oracle is having servers across the world. So every application will hosted in their server team. So this code is related to that server, in which country server the client application is maintained. That is just for information I'm telling. But when you working in the real time, the application URL you will experience like this. At the end, it will come as oraclecloud.com. And within this also team, whenever we working in real time, we have different types of environments: production environment, test environment, dev environment, like that. But they are too early to explain you. When we come to our implementation project workshop, I will tell you. Here I kept that separate topic here for you. See, development environment means what, test environment means what, production means what, how the instances, extensions will be there, that we will talk later. But this basic understanding at this point of time, everyone should have in the system. So when you people are working in the real time, these are the different names that you can call Fusion application. And client to client in the URL, this 4-character pod number will be unique. That is one differentiation you can identify which client environment is that. Right, team? That is what we planned for today. This exploring of the application, like once we log in into the system, what are all these things? What are these tiles here? I'm getting many options, no? Good evening, my account name coming, me, my team, procurement, my client group. What is this section? Or if we click on these 3 dots, a tile will open here. We have some options coming up here, and we have these all different icons. And what are these settings and action? What are these features? A quick walkthrough of entire application will continue in tomorrow's session. Okay. So today, as such, any questions you have, online people? But before taking the questions, again, I'm repeating, people after your registration, as I told you, this is very important. That is why I'm repeating multiple times, team. Though you feel it is why Kumar repeating many times, because of your what I have to say, benefit only, I'm telling you. You people, please verify, team, whether you received email from our admin team or not. If still you haven't received the email, please drop a message to the support number which you've been contacting already, right? So they will reshare the email, or they will send you the email if they haven't sent you. Without receiving the email, your access you are not receiving. In that email, as I told you, portal access, your credentials will be there, and then WhatsApp community link will be there. Please join into that community. I will share you this environment link for your exploring purpose. You start exploring the application today. And also the material, the first set of material I will share with you in the community. That is the reason, please do verify from your end. If any one or two, whoever not yet registered, please do complete the registration, team. Even today, our admin team sending you the registration link in the WhatsApp numbers, or even in the chat button. Now they have dropped the registration link. Please complete your registration and get your access creation part done. So from tomorrow, sharp 7 o'clock, please join. As I told you, our classes regularly will be Monday to Friday. But this week, as it's a new batch, I don't want to break the continuity. Tomorrow, we will be having the session. That is Saturday, May 2nd, evening 7 sharp, we will have the session in the new community. So today we given the time for all the people to join one by one. So now we will be closing, team. Tomorrow meeting link will be shared in that new WhatsApp community so that you can able to join the classes, right? So now you can tell me any questions that you have in place for today.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, Pawan.
Hey, hi, Kumar. Thanks for the great session. So actually, I'm having two questions only. One is
Mhm.
for the URL, which you told that it's a tenant or the instance URL for the client. So
Mhm.
does we have the URL that have to come to that same URL and create account over there, or it will be something different?
Can you repeat the question? I just somewhere I missed it. What is that? You have
I meant
to.
to say the URL or the instance or the URL that you shared now on the screen where they're having the client ID and something. So does
Uh-uh.
we have to create account over there somewhere or what for the
No, no,
user
not
ID and password?
required. Not required. In the WhatsApp community, we will share you the instance with the user ID and password. As of now, you use our account, login, and explore the things. Once we
Okay.
progressing, next session and next session, I will start security. Then I will let you know how user accounts will create, how we will start the project in real time, that all. Okay.
Okay. Second question, last question only.
No
For
problem.
the every client, as you told, there will be the unique URL. So if the
Mm.
client is asking for the isolation purpose to host the application at their server or for their on-premise, so does Oracle support like that, or they have to
Actually,
use the same?
on-premise, actually Oracle stopped in Fusion, but still, if client
Mhm.
have a specific requirement, they will sell the IaaS license to them. Infrastructure as a service, we call it. In that server and all, Oracle will provide, client can maintain separately, but that will be very cost
Okay,
effective for them, highly priced.
okay, got it.
No problem.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you. Next, Mohit or Jagadish, any question?
Hi, sir.
Hi, Jagadish.
Hi,
Sir,
Kumar.
my question is like, since you mentioned, right, every quarter Oracle is sending
Upgrading.
updates. Let's say now I'll be taking this course and get myself updated. But in future, how to, get
No, see,
updated
that's what I
myself?
told Jagdish. Huh? Like other applications, the entire changes of the application will not be there. Incremental. Incremental means just basic cosmetic level enhancements only. On job, whenever you're working, that you automatically update. Separately, no training, nothing is required for that. Just 30 minutes, as I told, if you spend on the document, sufficient.
Okay, but do you have any community or something like that where you can also share some updates like that,
Now we will share
or
that. That's what I'm telling you. Join that WhatsApp community. Every time, all the latest things, everything we will share in that.
okay, this WhatsApp community is not, I mean, your batch specific. It is like your entire,
No, no,
all
no.
the
For
students will
batch
be there in that.
specific only. For your batch exclusively, it will be.
Okay, okay, sir.
No problem.
Yeah, thank you.
Mohit, please. For everyone. Evelyn.
Yeah, I have dropped this one note in the group chat also. So,
If you want to view the session again where we can watch it, that's what Mohit, as I told you, you'll be getting this learning portal access to your email. In our website, you can go, you can log in with your credentials and you access the classes every day from website.
yeah, I
Okay.
mean,
And Evelyn, person.
they have provided some steps, but and when I followed those steps,
Hmm.
I found that there is some course added to my profile, and in that there were some around 86 lectures, and they were already recorded
Hmm.
sessions. So I was
No, no,
wondering
no,
that
not
if
like
there.
that. Let me, no, might be wrongly given to you. Once share the screenshot overloaded. Many accounts have been creating, so somehow you might be switched with some other account access. They will rectify that, no worries, okay? And I can say question
Thank
from Evelyn, sorry, if I'm
Hi,
not wrong.
Kumar.
Hi.
Kumar, my question to you was you spoke
Ah,
about Pearson View and no, Oracle Education,
correct,
both the
correct.
platforms providing us a certification, right?
Ah,
So
ah.
the Pearson View is associated only with the company or the organization which
No,
wants
no,
it.
no. You can take also. Individually also you can take.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay, and my
Yeah.
second question is the Oracle HCM platform that you have shared your screen, right? Those
Hmm.
access will be provided to us as well to have hands-on view towards it or a practice. How does that work?
Application you're asking, huh?
Yes, yes, this
Hey,
yeah.
you will be getting, no, that's what the server access for 6 months. And I think
Okay.
you're already registered to the program, I believe, right?
Yes, yes, I have.
In
But
the early board, you got 9 months of server access. You will be getting, but that we have not shared so far. In
oh,
the
okay.
community, we will share maximum by tonight or tomorrow morning. You can find it in that,
Sure,
no problem.
sure, sure.
And
Thank you.
Jyoti, what about is it included in calls but nowhere in demo? Obviously, Jyoti, because there is no separate introduction is needed because today all the screens are in Redwood only. So the entire sessions, entire modules are in the Redwood only today. So we will be conducting in that only. So that's why we have to go with by default with that features only. It will be covered in this. No worries. Kiran Kuturu. Sir, it's a 7 days per. No, no. Classes will be 5 days a week, Kiran. Five Monday to Friday. But tomorrow only we are scheduling a class because of new batch. not to miss the continuity, we have a session. But from next week, Monday to Friday, it will be. And the Sri Priya, her voice is breaking. Yeah, Sri Priya, even I got that feedback from my own admin team because a slight network glitch is there. We'll sort out that by next class. Don't worry, okay? Well, team, then I'll take a break here. Let's join back tomorrow and we'll continue. So anyone yet to get registered to the program, please do complete the registrations. So we'll be closing the registrations maximum by tonight. So from tomorrow, we can full-fledgedly start our training with all our enrolled participants in the batch. Okay. Thank you, everyone, team.